Alright, let's do some work with circles. Now with circles there's two formulas we're going to need. We're going to need the formula for area, and that's A equals pi times the radius squared, and the formula for circumference, which is C equals 2 pi r, or 2 times pi times the radius. So one thing we need is the size of the radius. So in this circle here, if we measure it, the radius is about 5 centimeters according to this ruler. So basically with each formula we can plug in 5 in place of r, and we can figure out the area and the circumference. So here I plugged in 5 in place of r. Now 5 squared is 25. Now one way to write the area is in terms of pi, and A equals 25 pi is one acceptable answer. In fact, that's probably the most accurate answer because pi is an irrational number. It's a decimal that will never repeat and never stop. But if we do it on a calculator, we can estimate, and 25 times pi is around 78.5. Since we found the area, it's going to be square centimeters. So that's how you'd find the area. For the circumference, same type of thing. You're going to plug in 5 in place of r. Now I'm going to do 2 times 5 first, so that to find the circumference we just do 10 times pi. Now again, you could leave that in terms of pi just like that, or you could go to your calculator, type in 10 times pi and estimate. You might have to round a little, but you'd see that it's 31.4, and the label for this would just be centimeters because you just found the circumference. It's not an area. So those are the two formulas for circles that we're going to need to use.